Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify this expression here. Okay, I see a 3x multiplying by this bracket 8 plus x. So the first thing will be to apply the distributive law of multiplication. I will get 24x positive 3x squared. I still have a minus 6x outside of this expression. After which, let's continue. I have the positive 3x squared. And I have the 24x minus 6x. This will give me positive 18x. And we are done because x squared and x are two different, are unlike terms. Okay, so we cannot simplify them further anymore. So we are done with this problem. So this is the end of the video, and thank you for watching and have a nice day.